I'm Grant Grable. I'm the franchise owner of Online Trading Academy of Sacramento. You know, it was interesting. I actually came in, I wasn't looking for a franchise, but I was introduced to Online Trading Academy and I sat through a preview. And sitting through that preview, it really spoke to me. I was that person that was on the other side and understanding of what I've had in my own financial background. This line of business with OTA appealed to me because it really spoke to me. I sat through a preview. And once I heard what they were presenting, it really was me on the other end of it and understanding I was coming from that position and made me want to look deeper. Well, the thing that stands out most to me about OTA is that we're coupling something that is truly unique in that we're opening up people to a part of a financial industry that you really don't know. And there's nowhere you can go in any higher school of education. I always like to say there's no Stanford School of Trading, there's no Harvard School of Trading. And once you get beyond that, it's then the unique experience that the people get, the education that they get, and then the community. The community is a big piece of this. And the fact that I've had other students say, you know, we're creating more of this community where we're bringing people in, giving them something that's addressing to the greater group that we have. And it's something where they're able to, beyond the classroom, actually find others that are interested and giving something that's a change to their life. When I look at OTA and what excites me the most is we're morphing from just an education platform. That's something that's taken the education to another level with technology. And now that we have Click on the horizon, that's going to integrate our education and actually make the many steps of what we've had to learn as a student that much better, that much easier. It's just another level. So the constant evolution of what OTA is putting together is very exciting. And we're here at the very beginning of it before it's really, truly even released to the world. So I'm excited about that.